Manoj.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay. It's pleasure to.
Yeah, congratulations
Thank
for
you.
your placements.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, Manoj, introduce about yourself and about your college native.
Ma'am, I'm Manoj from Pulla College, and my native place is Palakurti near Kurnool, and I'm pursuing BTech in Pulla College. Within 2 weeks, I get a graduate certificate from our college. So I'm not expected when I didn't get the certificate, but I get the job. So I'm satisfied, ma'am.
Yeah, I can see that happiness in your face. Okay, Manoj, like how was the internship program? What all you have learned in the internship?
Yes, ma'am. In my sixth semester, CMTI Institute came to my college, and they gave a lot of knowledge to us, and they gave the experience about the site, and they gave a how for the future building to build the career in future, how the civil is going in future. So they they guide a lot of knowledge and make sure they it also useful for us, ma'am, in the interviews like IBO and some construction companies.
Okay, that's nice. Like from Kurnool to Bangalore, how do you feel?
It feels like yes, ma'am, it's so good, ma'am. In now I'm converting a fresher to an employee. I'm I'm really excited now and look forward this journey.
Okay, like how was the interview procedure? How the CMTA support you in the interview procedures?
Same day, it's really an honor for us to contact with the CMT and our college also refers to the CMT. We are all very honored, and my sincere thanks to the CMT and giving me this opportunity in my life. CMT refers to the IBO company for for my resume, and they receive and they respect us, and we are, our resumes filled with some CGPA or any skills, and they allowed because we are from CMT Institute. That's why they are giving respect, and ma'am, and the procedure was very good, and they are slightly friendship, and they are asking in friendly way, and they are towards a mutual respect for us.
Okay, like you went for the showroom visit and all, right? What all the topics you have learned from the visits?
Ma'am, first I went to the store and I saw a good flooring section, ma'am. And the doors are fixed in when we complete the interior of the building. In that way only, their floor section will be there, and some doors with plywood, some top brands and multiple categories and multiple brands. Their display was very good, ma'am. And top brands, all our top brands like Ajuria or Ceramic, Serra, Sensor Plywood, Green Ply. So top brands, ma'am, and multiple categories and multiple brands.
Okay, like in the site visit also you have learned and gained more knowledge, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, like finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about the CMTA and about your placements?
So when the opportunity got, you have to improve yourself. So in this period, CMTA gave me opportunity and improve my skills, and it gives me opportunity to improve myself in the to crack the interviews.
Okay, like which role you have selected for?
I'm selected for consultant now.
Okay, that's nice. Before completing your college, you have got placed.
Yes, ma'am.
And how do you feel about that?
I'm really very excited, ma'am. So I don't know. I'm I'm returning with the offer letter to my village. I'm very happy, ma'am. I didn't expect. I returned with the offer letter to my village. It's great, ma'am. It's great.
Okay, I can see that happiness in your face. Yeah, congratulations, Manoj, for your placement. Have
Thank
a
you.
bright future. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you, Manoj.